Hi and welcome everyone. This is Daniela again, working with the August Hip Kits, and yeah, it's time for another main kit and cardstock only layout. And I want to use 4 pictures on my page today, so it's a multi-picture layout that I'm creating, and I'm going for only 2 different papers plus cardstock this time. So yeah, I'm going to create a grid layout here. You see that I just distress the edges of the papers. So all in all, I want to have a messy style here in the end. So I distress the edges, and there are some paper rips here and there, and yeah, I'm just using my scissors for doing so. And yeah, you see that I'm working with a dark blue cardstock from the cardstock kit, plus the green dotted exclusive paper, and then the paper in blue tones with sparkles of orange, but I'm just using the blue tones here. So these are my papers, and in the end I'm going to add some other paper stripes from one more paper, but we have the color combination blue and green here all in all. And yeah, I just figure that this color combination is perfect for my pictures I'm documenting here. And yeah, that is what I tend to do most of the time. I take a look at the pictures, see what colors are dominating, and then I try to pick the same colors for my layout. And yeah, that's always a way to have a balanced page in the end. So now I'm just attaching or adhering the papers together. The pictures are still loose because I want to add some color splashes before adhering them to the papers. And yeah, this is my grid, and you see that there is lots of dimension because of the different layers. I have about 2 to 3 layers behind each picture, and because of the distressed edges, yeah, there is really lots of dimension here. Okay, so now I can take off the pictures and have some color splashes. I'm using dark blue color spray, and also I want to use some green color splashes here. And you see that I just have some splashes on top of the papers and around my grid. Okay, so now of course I have to adhere my pictures, and then I also want to add some embellishments, of course. And I really like August kits because there are so many cool items in there. So it's easy to create a boyish style. And yeah, we have the cardstock stickers in the main kit, and the die cuts, and also the blue alphabet stickers. And I think that I'm going to use lots of chipboard stickers here in this case. And yeah, so here I also want to have some paper pieces or paper stripes, which I cut fringes because yeah, we have these blocks there in this paper, and I just cut the paper between the blue and white blocks, and this even adds some more dimension, and I put some of those paper stripes behind my my layers here, and you see this way yeah, the messy style even becomes more intense. Okay, so one more, and then I have used 4 of these stripes all in all, and I can start to use my cardstocks or my chipboard stickers. So you see, coolest ever. Yes, you can. What's this? Do Love Dream and Game On. So I feel that these are all a kind of boyish, and I like to yeah, to use lots of embellishments here, and I have the pictures that show my son going through a self-made challenge. He wanted to go over this bridge without using his hands, and I don't know how many how many times he tried, but he just wouldn't give up, and finally he made it. And yeah, I like to document those yeah memories, and I feel that the stickers are just perfect for these pictures. Okay, so I'm adding a paper stripe on the very top of the page and on the lower part, and I also cut some fringes here, and I also want to use one of the manufacturer stripes that we have in blue, so my color scheme is really easy this time. And so now it's time for the big paper stripe here and another blue one, and then I guess I'm almost finished, but of course I also have to add some journaling in the end and the date, and yeah, maybe I can see if I can add some more tiny details, but this is the basic idea of my layout. Okay, I'm using my scissors here again to distress the big paper stripes on the fringes here, but the distressed edge is also another way to add up to the messy style of this page. And now I can also add some sewing yarn. This is always another way to add more dimension, and yeah, I'm just adding some of white white yarn here and there, and yeah, that's always a nice thing to do on layouts, and it's a quick and easy way as well. All right, so now I'm doing my handwritten journaling, and then add the date with a common date stamp, and then I also want to add some Nuvo drops. We have this dark blue in the kit, and I feel that Nuvo drops are a perfect way to add some shiny details. I always use an old piece of paper for the first one, so that I don't mess up anything, and then I can have some drops here and there, and yeah, I really like these tiny shiny dots. Okay, so you see, this is my layout. There is lots of going on here, and yeah, I hope you like my way of using the main kit. and have fun using your own ones. Thanks so much for stopping by today and have a great day. Hope to see you soon. Bye bye.